What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to talk about how to install iOS 16 beta version on your phone, as well as how to uninstall it once you have installed that. First thing you should know is that beta is only limited to certain type of accounts on Apple's profile. Which could be developer's account, for which you have to pay about $100. So simply Google that iOS program, and then you should be able to go to any of these links and sign up for it. Once the beta is available, it'll show up on your account. The second option is to go through these random developer websites called betaprofile.com. These profiles are just downloading those beta app files that you could download afterwards in your phone. And once you have those files downloaded, you get the access to it automatically. Now, they're definitely not trustworthy as the official files, but I have done it myself using the link in my bio. Apparently, this random guy has uploaded that profile file onto Google Drive, and then it's linked in the description of this video as well. Once you go and download that file, it'll show up right here in the settings. You just have to go to the profile and activate that. Once you activate it, you go into General and Software Update. It's going to give you the option of updating the iOS 16. As you can see, I have done it myself. Now, after downloading this beta software, if you want to remove it, this is the simplest way to do it. Simply go into your settings, then go back and look for that profile. It should show up in VPN and device management, and simply tap on this profile that you downloaded and remove that. Once you remove this profile and restart your phone, the beta is all gone. Hopefully this helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.